شو اسمه؟
Are you trying to vlog now?
Yeah.
Right now we are in a place called Tanurin, and this right here is called, oh, it was back for a second, Balua Bal'a, and it's literally breathtaking in person. Sure? Yeah, I vlogged it. I know. If the way down was really bad, I don't know how the way up is gonna be, but it's blazing hot. It's like 30 plus degrees. And we're smart, we didn't wear sunscreen. So someone's gonna go home burnt. But anyway. This is not safe. Like there's no seatbelt.
Not recommended.
I don't recommend it. There's no seatbelt. I don't know the weight limit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
هي مش هالشغلة بس انه اختصار الطريق.
Oh my god.
دغري دغري فوق فوق.
I'm dead.
لا انتم خذوها على فوق. هاي مختارة. لا ما هلا بدك لا هون. ايه.
Keep going.
يلا.
You don't have to wait for Never mind.